Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, Advanced and Permission Manager. I will go with Location, so I have to click on it and pick an app, for example Maps. So I have to click on it and from here pick one of the options: allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time. So when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!